Hey, this is Byron from Vance Hines, and today we're going to install an all-new VO2 America on our 2021 Sportster. So let's go over this way to the bench and show you what we're looking at here. So here is the all-new VO2 America. So what we'll want to do is take these, so they come through these upper two holes, and then curve into that. They'll have to go through the back plate and this bracket. So the idea is you'll want them in there like that, and so that way when we put these breathers into those slots, these can get put in place. Just slid over that. Now before we'll put these in, obviously we'll need to put the O-rings on, but just to give you an idea as to how the hoses get routed. So make sure you've got the O-ring there so it fits into the bracket like this. So you'll notice you've got a breather and then 3 spots for bolts. Line up the gasket so that way it all lines up there. And then what I do is I tuck it in behind that support bracket and then kind of press up against it. Do the same with this guy. So we'll want to hide this portion of the filter with one of these standoffs. I usually like to point it down and away from me. So if we get it lined up, just press down. And take the 2 standoffs. So notice there's a wider flange and a more narrow one. The wider one goes on the bottom. And then just pick 2 opposite corners. Wider on the bottom. And then make sure you pinch the standoffs. Pick the whole thing up as one big assembly, and then back to the bike. Alright, so that's it. That's the VO2 America installed on our 21 Sportster. Be sure if you want this air cleaner, it is a limited run. Contact your local dealer, your local motorcycle shop. These are all shipped. They've all left the floor, and we're not going to be making any more. So if you want to get a hand on these VO2 Americas, again, go ahead. They're out there. Go grab one.